go my way. Come on, baby, tell me you love me, baby. Yeah, come on, baby, all night long. I see, darling. Come on, baby. I know Shane Cody wishes he looked like this.
Man, bro, you're looking good, brother.
I already know that.
Yeah. Have you looked at Facebook lately?
Do I have time to go on Facebook?
No, probably not.
No, hell no.
Too busy working out and stuff, but...
Too busy making love.
I see our opponents out here, and here's this guy always riding around on his Harley and drinking.
Yeah. What else is new?
I don't know. You know, you think he'd take some time to train, especially with a body like that.
That's a
well, we
granddad.
can't ask for everybody to have bodies like yours and mine, can we?
That's granddad body.
Yeah, exactly. Whoa, that's it. Get it here.
Hey, Bucket Man.
Hey,
Bucket Man.
Hey, who are you?
Hey,
oh,
how did you get in here?
I used the back door.
What do you mean you use back?
Hey,
this is a private gym for Cockamang only and members, which are women only.
Hot women.
And you look like neither a hot woman or
Looks
anything
like a
close to being a
chipmunk
member.
from the Castro dressed as a hobbit.
I just want to get an autograph.
Straight out of Compton.
No, I just want an autograph.
You want a what?
Autograph, straight out of Castro.
Yeah, that's a picture of me.
Yeah, of course a picture of you. I'm your biggest fan. I'm the biggest cockroach you got.
He's a cockroach.
He's a
He
cockroach.
smells like one. Okay, give that. Let him.
Are you sure?
Yeah, let's do it. Come on, hurry up.
You're lucky, kid.
You are lucky, kid. Where's my security? Is he sleeping again?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what happens when you feed him ribs.
exactly.
What's your name, kid?
Douglas.
Hell no, your name's now Ben. Easy to write. Come on, Ben. Hey, Ben.
Thanks. Yeah.
Good kid, I like that.
All right,
Where'd you
cool.
get that Cockamang shirt?
No, I got it at the last show.
You pay full price?
I paid double.
Double?
Wow.
Yeah, where'd you get this? It's official? That looks pretty
I
official.
like that.
Is this real? You look like the Pringles man. Anybody ever tell you that?
One's not enough, right?
Well, exactly. Hey kid, I like you.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Ben.
Ben, let me tell you
Yeah.
something real quick. Ben, you're a good kid. I like you, but come on, don't you ever come into my studio. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of here.
Get out of here, Ben Wayne.
Get out of here. Pendejo. I see.
Oh, that place, dog.
Hey, you know what? Let's go back and talk about that Shane, huh?
Yeah.
Ese cabrón no sirve. We know that.
Yes.
He hasn't for a long time. I mean, the gente, they don't want to see him as champion. They want to see me as champion.
That's right.
You know? But that didn't happen. Why? Because the owner's got a soft spot. Very soft spot for old Shane Cody. You know? Well, we're going to change that. We're going to change that October 17th at the Newark Memorial High School. Yeah. We're going to change that in a big way. 3-on-3. Shane Cody, you and your two stooges against the 3 amigos. Woo! And we're gonna rock and roll, strut and stroll, steal all the hot girls, and then we're gonna go clubbing all night long. But I know you got a history with old Shane more than I got a history with old Shane.
Yes,
Why don't you
I
let
do.
those Nimrods out there, esos pendejos, know just how much you hate Shane Cody like I do. Yeah.
Let me tell you, for all you idiots in the Fremont, Newark area that love to cheer on Shane Cody, let me give you a little history lesson on who your big fat hero really is. Over 20 years ago, I left professional wrestling because the officials there could not keep control of your so-called hero, Shane Cody. I can't tell you how many times I woke up in the middle of the ring, bloody from the cowbell, or tossed out to the side just to be brass-knuckled by his manager, Mike the Alaskan York. So let me tell you something, Cody. That's why I've come to be at this man's side, because you've been nothing but a cheat since the beginning. You proved last month that you couldn't beat him without cheating. First, you hit him with a chair, then you hit me with a chair, then you threw him in, hit him with the cowbell, and then proceeded to get the 1, 2, 3 count.
It
And
still
then
hurts.
I come in, a poor, innocent manager. What have I ever done to you? I come in to check on my man, and what do? You spear me like the cheat.
What's
The
that?
idiot that you are, Cody. That's why our master plan is finally coming to set.
Yes.
And that's why I finally get to get my hands on you.
Yes.
You might think you've changed, Cody. You might have all these idiots bamboozled in the Fremont, Newark area as to thinking that you've changed. But the only thing that's changed is me, Cody. I've changed in these last 20 years.
Look at
I'm
scared me, carnal. I think we need to calm you down. We need to get you some highness, some chelas, some muchachas.
Yes.
Some more muchachas.
Okay.
Maybe a little bit of pupusas. Maybe 2. Yeah.
2 or 3 pupusas.
Yeah, you good? You good, carnal? I know you don't like that bum.
Yeah.
I don't like that bum. And I know all those people feel sorry for that bum. But you know what? Old Shane dog. It's time to put you out. And that's exactly what we're all about.
That's right.
Get ready, Shane Cody. Bring your 2 stooges, Larry, Curly, and Mo, and Shemp, and the whole gang. Hell, bring the little rascals, because you're going to need all the help that you're going to need. And you're going to need it because we're going to mess you up. Get out of here now. Let's get out. I'm ready to go eat some pupusas. Let's go eat some pupusas.
Come on, Carnal.
That's it, man.
Vamos.
I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I don't even know how mad